Hey guys, this is Matt. Welcome to my welding business's mobile command center. A little bit of a rough start this Monday. About 9 o'clock last night, I did an update on my main computer and nothing is on there when I log back in. So it's at a computer shop getting a recovery done on it. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new computer. If I do, it's no big deal. The information on there is way more important than that computer. My new F-150, just got it out of the shop today. Got an ABS module out and 2 of the turbo wastegates were frozen. $625 later, we got a truck with no dash lights, so that's awesome. Upon closer inspection of this tire, she is due for a new front steer. Bills are due this week. Payrolls due this week. The deadline on this big job we're doing right now is getting tighter and tighter, smaller and smaller. But hey, the phone keeps ringing and the work keeps coming, so I can't complain. Either way, guys, hope you're staying profitable. Again, hope you're having a great week. Everybody has obstacles. It's a matter of how well you can get through them. Keep your nose to the grindstone, out of the pills, and dump your shitty friends. See you on the next one.